Are you ready to unlock the best credit card rewards and huge limits for October 2025? Whether you're looking to score epic cashback, travel like a pro, or just boost your credit fast, this video has you covered. I'll break down the top 5 credit cards right now, what makes them stand out, new features for 2025, and exactly how to maximize every benefit. So before we dive in, hit subscribe and ring the bell for exclusive Gen Z money hacks every week. Like and comment which card you're excited to try. Let's build wealth, not debt. New month, new offers. This year, credit card companies are rolling out higher intro bonuses, more flexible digital rewards, and bigger limits, especially if you know which banks are competing hardest for your spending. October is also when banks update their reward categories. So you'll want to pay close attention if you want to maximize your earnings before the holidays. And if you're Gen Z or a young professional, get excited, because there are more user-friendly approval options and digital wallet perks than ever before. Now, how did I rank these cards? I didn't just pull them out of a hat. I looked at 5 key things. First, the reward structure, cashback, points, travel, and those special categories that really make a difference. Second, the approval odds, especially for those of you who might have an average score or are just starting out. Third, the credit limits and how often banks are giving out increases. Fourth, the annual fee versus the actual dollar value you get back. And finally, I focused on Gen Z-friendly features like awesome mobile management, easy digital wallet integration, and true transparency. No hidden fees, no confusing terms. No hidden confusing terms. So let's start with number 5 and work our way up to my absolute best pick for October 2025. Coming in at number 5 is the Citi Custom Cash Card. This one is a huge favorite with Gen Z, and for good reason. It is famous for giving you 5% cash back on your top eligible spending category each month. That means no more guessing which card to use. The card automatically adapts to you. The most popular categories for 2025 are groceries, streaming services, restaurants, gas, and even drugstores. It has no annual fee and decent approval rates for new credit builders. You can earn that 5% on up to $500 of spending per month. The only con? You need good financial habits to avoid interest, so it's best if you pay it off in full every month. Pro tip, pair this with the Citi Double Cash Card to earn a solid rate on all your other non-category spending. At number 4, we've got the Capital One Venture X Rewards Card. If you're looking for serious travel perks, this is one of the hottest premium cards on the market right now. It usually comes with a huge welcome bonus, often between 75,000 to 100,000 miles. You also get a $300 annual travel credit that's super easy to use a priority. Pass membership for airport lounge access, and you can earn up to 10 times the miles on hotels and rental cars booked through their portal. Now, it does have a $395 annual fee, but the perks quickly offset it, especially if you take 2 or more trips a year. Plus, its approval odds are often stronger than competitors like the Amex Platinum. Our number 3 spot goes to a true powerhouse, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card is still a legend, and here's why. It offers a massive sign-up bonus, usually between 60,000 and 80,000 points. You get 3 times the points on dining, streaming, and online groceries, and 2 times the points on travel. Plus, it comes with major travel protections that can save you a fortune if things go wrong. For 2025, there is a bonus. Chase is offering even greater transfer value to its airline and hotel partners and rolling out rotating category boosts just in time for holiday spending. The $95 annual fee makes it really accessible, but the benefits can be worth over $600 if you redeem your points smartly. And if you want to create the ultimate point earning machine, pair it with the Chase Freedom Flex to complete the legendary Chase trifecta. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Apple Card. Its popularity with Gen Z is absolutely exploding. And it's easy to see why. You get an instant virtual card in your Apple Wallet as soon as you're approved, and it integrates seamlessly with your iPhone and Apple Watch. There are no annual fees and, get this, no late fees. You earn 3% daily cash back at places like Apple, Uber, and Walgreens, and 2% back everywhere else you use Apple Pay. It's a great option if you have an average or thin credit file, and it makes tracking your spending incredibly easy. The main downside is that its travel rewards aren't as impressive outside of the Apple ecosystem. But here as a bonus, a 2025 update includes credit limit reevaluations every 4 months for responsible users. helping you grow your credit faster. And now, my #1 credit card for October 2025 is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred. Especially with inflation still hitting our wallets, this card is a lifesaver. Why? It gives you an incredible 6% cash back at US supermarkets on up to $6,000 a year. That's huge for groceries. You also get 6% back on select streaming services, 3% on transit and gas. And a new special for this year, 5% back on select online shopping platforms until the end of the year. The annual fee is $95, but it's often waived for the first year for new applicants. The approval rates are surprisingly good if you've managed your credit responsibly, even for those with scores around 680 or higher. Just use this card for your essential spending and watch that cash back stack up. Now for some honorable mentions and a look at Gen Z card trends. The Amazon Prime Rewards Visa is a must-have for online shoppers, giving you 5% back at Amazon and Whole Foods. The Discover It card is fantastic for students and new credit users because it offers double cash back in your first year and has easy approval standards. The Pedal 2 card is great for building credit from scratch with no annual fee, as it looks at your cash flow, not just your score. And the Chime Credit Builder is another Gen Z favorite for boosting your credit with no credit check. The big trend we're seeing is a demand for cards that let you track spending in app, offer instant approval, and pair well with buy now, pay later tools. Before you rush to apply, let's talk about how to actually get approved in 2025. First, check your credit score. You can use free services like Credit Karma or Experian. Second, only apply for cards you're likely to get approved for. Don't waste a hard inquiry. Third, don't apply for a bunch of cards at once. Space your applications out by at least 3 months. And finally, be ready with your proof of income and address. I've put links in the description with up-to-date approval odds for each card we talked about. The good news is, all the cards reviewed here are friendly for responsible new credit users. So which card is right for you? The truth is, there's no single best card for everyone. It all comes down to your personal habits. Where do you spend the most money? Do you travel a lot or do most of your shopping online? How do you prefer to redeem your rewards, cashback, or travel points? And what annual fee are you comfortable with? If you want a custom recommendation, drop your top 3 spending categories in the comments below, and I'll personally reply with my shortlist just for you. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly credit tips and tricks, and comment which card you think should be #1. Want to master your money? Go watch my video on how to build credit from scratch next. Thanks for watching. Here's to smarter money moves.